was about the Rhino roof rack not fitting on my 2016 Jetta, which it's supposed to. The 2011 through 2018 was this, this body model. So the first measurement for the front bar says 10 1/4 right there, which is from the middle of the door forward, which when you measure 10 1/4 from the middle of the door, it's right here. Dad, can you put the rack right there?
That side I got.
Okay.
This is the front rack.
Yeah. So that's correct. Right there. The front one fits. It says that the length of the rack is supposed to be 37 and some change inches. And that is correct.
Oh, okay.
So then that leaves us to the rear bar, which is supposed to be, you can tell from here, around 27.5 inches behind the front rack, which is right here, which is actually right where this hole is, which is where a lot of racks, not this specific one, but a lot of racks will go into that hole. So that's the right placement there. But then when we try to put the rear rack on,
Are we going the right way? Yep.
here we are.
Let me put this side on so they can see it short over there.
Okay.
Come up. Okay.
Are you on the right spot?
I am on the right spot.
So he's at the right spot at 27.5 behind the front rack, which does fit.
Yep.
And then I'm at this spot, that hole, the 27.5, but we're like 2 inches short. So you might say it's the wrong bar, but this says that the bar needs to be around 36.5 inches. Which it is. It is 36.5 inches.
But too short for this car.
But it's too short to actually fit the car. So you might say it's the wrong car, but it's not the wrong car. When we were experimenting just to see what would work, we put the front rack, which is longer, at the placement for the back rack, and it fit pretty well.
And we can put that on there, but we can show them how the feet are a little bit weird.
So when we put the front rack in the back, it actually fits really well. The feet fit right in this crevice pretty well.
Both sides.
On both sides, and it's right at the right spot where that hole is. So you do that. It's like that on both sides, but the issue with that is that it's on quite a bit of an angle. It's not actually horizontal.
Like flat, yeah.
Because of how tall this part is and how short this part is. Even though,
It fits good side to side.
yeah, side to side it fits well.
Yeah, well.
So, yeah, that's how it's not fitting.